Oh.
Hi, everybody. Today I will teach you about the basics in basketball. Before playing the game, we need to do some warm-up. Example of warm-up, stretching your body. Now we are done on warm-up. Now, I will teach you the basic shooting in basketball. The first basic, what we call board ring. You will bounce the ball at the board and it will shoot at the ring. Example, that is an example of board ring. Now I will teach you how to shoot the ball. Nice and easy. This is how to shoot it. The other hand is at the side of the ball, like the supporter, and this is the force maker, like this. Look. Now you know. Now I will teach you how to do the right free throw. The right free throw
Go.
is, now let's do some free throw. If you are doing a free throw, you will not step at the line. If you shoot at this, it's wrong. It will not be counted in a free throw. This is the right. This is the right lane, free throw lane. If you are shooting at free throw lane. Now, this is how you shoot a free throw.
Here you go.
Now I will teach you how to drive in basketball. First, you will need some dribble skills, like crossover.
Cross
Now
over.
dribble over the leg, like that. Now, if you have these skills, you can now drive the ball. Now this is how to drive. If there are defender there, you will need to get out of there, like this.
Like this.
Now before driving the ball, you will need some layup skills. This is how to lay up. The layup is just throw the ball at the ring, not holding it and shoot it like that. You will just throw your one hand at the ring. Example. Here. That is how to lay up. Now, I taught you the basic skills in layup. Now, I will teach you dribbling skills. Like crossover, over the leg, long dribble, and many other more. Now, I will teach you how to drive. That is how to drive. If you want to learn penetration, it's like this. When there are two defenders there, you will need to make them defend you. Like this. If they are double teaming him, you need to get out of there and make them defend you. And just pass the ball and just you will have a penetration. Now this is how to spin move. I will teach you how to here. That is how to spin. Now this is how to shoot. Like Kobe Bryant. His favorite. If you have two defenders at my back. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. That is the move of Kobe. This is how to shoot at 3 points. You will need some back. You will need to. You will need some force if you will do the 3 points. Example. This is the right. This is the right thing to do. Example of shooting at the 3 points. You have to reverse layup. You will need, if you are you will need some control at the ball. If you have no control, it will not shoot. But if you have control like this, you have to jump shot. The most difficult part of in offense. Example of jump shot, you will jump before. I taught you how to offense, now the defense. Now I have one opponent. Now I will teach you how to steal.
Okay.
The most difficult part. You will need to have good hands and speed to intercept the ball. Like this. That is how to steal. Now you know. Cut.
Paano pag...
You need to have great timing and great reach in blocking. Example of block. Right there. Now, the last thing and the most important in basketball, teamwork. This is the basic passing in basketball. The chest pass. This is the chest pass. That is the basic in chest pass. Now, the bounce pass. The ball needs to bounce at the target of the ball is in the chest. Example. That is the basic in passing. Now, if you have player in the game. Now, if you have flair, you need to have some skills in passing, like this. This is how to pump it. The defender is in here. Now, you will pretend you will shoot the ball. But, it is a fake. An example of pump fake is this. That's an example of pump fake. Now, I taught you all about basketball. Now, I am ready to play the game.
Okay. Ang tama.
That is the right pump fake. Now, I am ready to play the basketball.